Hey, you gotta check out this garden. We're growing 2 pumpkins on 1 plant. And we're using Morgan's from Sears, Michigan. Morgan's products, Healthy Garden, was scattered on the garden. Along with, we started the pumpkins in 3 yards of veggie dew. Started the pumpkins. And wait till you see the beautiful pumpkin we get in this video. And we're headed to the state fair. I don't want to spoil it for you. Check this out, see how we do at the state fair. But I gotta tell you, there was a 7-year drought. The last time we placed at the state fair was 7 years ago. Oh, did I already spoil it? But check this out. Gorgeous orange pumpkins. And we still got one growing on the plant. Stay tuned for more videos to come. But hey, let's head to the state fair. Here
I put on my pumpkin gloves. I become like a Mathene, a pumpkin growing Mathene. Loading for the state fair. Here's the 2551 Fords. Don't you grow no ugly pumpkin. Here's Jack's pumpkin. And I think this one's going to be gifted to Marley. There's Gordietta. Lift her up. I think she's on there. Let's see if she's a flat bottom girl. They make the rockin' world go round. She looks pretty good from what I can see. All right, let me see. Yeah, she looks great. Looks awesome. Now the tree's in your way, huh? All right. This is Don't You Grow No Ugly Pumpkin, baby. She's on there. I think she's gonna be $6.50. That's my guess. She's gonna enter at the Michigan State Fair out of the 2551 Ford. Check out for these seeds on the website. We're gonna sell seeds out of this on the website. Beautiful orange pumpkin. Mama went 26% heavy to the chart. Wisconsin state record, 2,551 pounds is the mama of this seed. All right, Joe, that's good. This is gonna hurt me more than it hurts you, Gordietta. All right. There we go. Loading Gordietta. Oh, you gotta put the chain on. Duh. How do we got it on there? You got it on there good? On the nets to help the slide, keep it from sliding off. All right, that's the anti-slider. Maybe you want to tip. Do you want to tip the tongue up? All right. Hopefully she's on there good. Don't get under it. Nobody wants to lose a foot. Ooh, what's that? What do you think, Chuck? Is it heavy? It ain't heavy, it's my pumpkin. All right, he's my brother. Let me see. No mouse holes. She's a flat bottom girl, a little bit of a dip. All of a sudden it drops on my phone, smash. All right, Chucky. I think we're good. Let me take another look. Yeah, she ain't coming off. She ain't coming off. Fat bottom girls, you make the rocket world go round. Yeah, get on your skins and I just wanted, we got some, Jackson was selling them football coupons. Uh-oh, that might not be good. He doesn't pull the chain off. Swat, got me in the eyeball. An apple a day will keep the pumpkin away. All right, Bubba, 𝐕𝐈𝐃, Jackson, wake up. Hey, 𝐕𝐈𝐃, wake that old man up. Wake him up, Jack. Slap him upside down. Man.
Oh, it's 27.
Here we are, Michigan State Fair, Suburban Show Place. We're here. Right, we made it. We made it in the parking lot. Now it's time to unwrap them. Here's 𝐕𝐈𝐃's in the back. We had him throwing his in the back, boy. It was a little strain on Gordy pulling all that weight. That's a lot of weight on this old man. Here's the pumpkins down the line. Oh, look who came. Lucy came. I love Lucy. Lucy, you got some explaining to do. How did you get here? Oh, and look, it's Marley Jr. Jackson Clementz.
Jackson, what's the way? 600. Okay.
596. Nice. 2551 Ford from Wisconsin.
Good job. What is 500?
That's a don't ugly one. Go. Don't you grow no ugly pumpkin.
That's cool.
They're a great company, Dairy Dude.
Yeah, they got good product.
All right, here comes Jackson. What do you think you got, Jackson? I'm thinking it's 541. 541. 535.
540.
Here comes Jackson. Action Jackson, as Ronnie Wallace says. It's Action Jackson. I'm going to say 541.
I'll say 540. Price is right.
Mark, what do you think? I'm thinking 541.
540. I'm going to say 610. 610.
610 and top win.
626. Oh, goodness, Jackson.
626.
Nice choice, Jack. 626. We're right. You said this is heavier than the ugly pumpkin.
How much you weigh?
Well, what's that?
How much you weigh?
626.
626.
So Jackson, and that's times 60 cents a pound.
That's like
That's 360.
over 1,000. Big time.
Welcome to the 1,000-pound club.
Oh, Scout, you're going to celebrate tonight. 1543. 1543.
Wow,
What a great pumpkin.
nice.
This is going to get tight here, folks.
Sandbagger.
Sandbagging, yeah.
You said he told me he's bringing a 1,300-pounder. Sandbagger.
Decide just to bring
Hey man, that's the last one, dude. That's pretty smooth.
Now you can't blame her. You need to know that my wife was going to March 1571. Our winner.
Sherry, look up.
Even Lucy came to see this one.
Hang on, I was gonna.
There's another one of our secret ingredients. Now you all come back now and see where Clementine, the second pumpkin Clementine, where she headed. Join us for the next video.